Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to delete a product. So let's see how can we delete the product. So first of all, go to the product controller and here let's create a new function. So after this, just write here public function and function name which is productDelete, and here pass an argument which is $id. And inside this function, first of all let's fetch here the product according to this id. Okay, and after this let's delete the main product image. Before deleting this, first check here if product arrow image has a value, and if this path exists, then delete this main product image. And after deleting the main product image, just delete here the thumbnail image. So before deleting this, check here product arrow image again, and then this path, image path, thumbnail image path, if this exists, then delete the thumbnail image. Okay, and after this let's delete the product gallery image. So for that, first check here if product arrow images as value, then after this just convert this comma separated string into array using the explode method. Okay, and just pass here the separator comma. Alright, and after converting this comma separated string into array, add here the for each and fetch all the gallery images, and first delete the gallery main image and then delete the gallery thumbnail image. Okay, and before deleting this, check the gallery image, and if exists this gallery image, then delete the image using the unlink directive. Okay, and similarly for the thumbnail image, first check here the gallery image, then this gallery image exists, then delete the thumbnail image. Okay, using this @unlink directive. And after deleting the gallery image, just delete the product, so call here the delete method, and after deleting this, just return and redirect to this route. Okay, with the success message, product deleted successfully. Alright, now save this, and let's create the route for this function. So go to the routes directory, and let's open the web.php, and here let's create a new route. So after this, just write here route : delete. Okay, method name delete. This is the URI admin/product-delete. Pass here the route parameter id, then controller name, function name which is productDelete, and then route name. Okay, admin.product.delete. Save this file, and now go to the products view file, and here let's find the delete link inside this table. You can see here after this edit link, this is the delete button. Okay, so here first of all let's open the categories view, and from here let's copy this delete link. Okay, this one. So just copy this form, and inside this product view file just remove this button, delete button, and paste here. Okay, and now change here the name $product arrow id. Okay, method post, and also change here the action. So inside the route, just write here admin.product.delete. Okay, this one, and pass here the id arrow $product arrow id. And now inside this delete button, let's change here the JavaScript function. So on click is equal to delete product. Okay, and just pass here the product name, product arrow name, and then product arrow id. Alright, now go to the categories view, and from here let's copy this delete model. So just select this, and also copy this JavaScript. So select also this JavaScript. Alright, now let's copy and go back to the products view file. After this closing main tag, just paste here, And now change here the name inside this model. Just change here the name product and ID, which is delete dash product dash name. Okay, and inside this text message just change here product, and inside the JavaScript just select this category and change all this category to the product. So just select and press Ctrl D multiple times. Okay, all selected. Now just write here product, and inside the function name just make this capital P. Now it's done, so save this file and let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page, and now let's delete this product. So just click on delete link and you can see here the confirmation, delete product. Are you sure you want to delete this product? Okay, this is the product name. If I click on cancel, it's not deleted. Now click again on delete. This time just click on delete button and you can see product deleted successfully. This video covers product deletion for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.